nice. So let's solder this up. How to solder the battery holder from the front. Insert pin from the front. Solder it from the back. Solder both LEDs and trim. Long LED is plus. Insert battery positive plus upside down. Enjoy! That's pretty cool. That little text came straight from the badge's backside. So this looks a bit... That's a bit tricky to solder. It worked. This is the ground pin, so it probably takes a bit longer, but this also worked. Okay. Snap the pins. It's heated. Bring this one in. Let's heat this one. Don't run away. Okay, that went well. You might wonder where I got those. You can get this one probably on Tindy, but I got it at the Maker Faire in New York. I've been there last year. That's also where I got my beautiful hat. And it was pretty warm, so we had to buy something for our hat. Okay, that's tapped in. Let's grab the other one. That should be it. So that looks okay-ish. So let's see if this battery is fit. I'm not sure what revision this one is. It's probably one of the earlier ones because it was a handout. I'm not really sure, but I think there's a switch on there now, because I'm not a fan of just putting it in and then forget we are in business. Okay, last but not least today, hopefully. I got the PCB by a guy called Tom Archer, and he also has a Tindy store, and I will put a link into the description where you can find this one. Francis X Clampazzo. Anyway, I've bought the PCB. Tom has put on normal LEDs on there. That's why you can find resistors on here. There are places where resistors should go. Here is a switch where I have to modify my switches I have. I've waited for the SMD battery clip to modify this and make it work with RGB faders. I have these 0 ohm resistors, and they should work very well to just put the full amount of voltage we can get from the battery to the RGB LEDs. While the soldering iron is heating up, I can bend the SMD battery holder. That's actually not SMD. I've bought some that are through hole. Step 1. Let's take on one side first. Okay, that should be plenty. Oh, someone's got a little mailbag today. Okay, so I don't have the pin, I just noticed that. So let's see if we can... Okay, that's gonna be tricky because this spot is connected with the ground plane. Let's heat up the soldering iron to 400. No? Yes? Okay. Next up, I have to hack the little switch. Should have done the SMD stuff first. That's a bit stupid of me. Okay, never too good with those switches. You can see that on my badges, but in this case, I am my customer. Okay. Okay, actually makes sense like that. Nice. Just in case you didn't notice, there's a switch here, and you want to put the batteries in like that from here, not from there, because there's the switch. And there is it not. Okay, that's clever. Okay, so maybe that's the footprint, but I think that was by Tom. You can actually see it's on now, and now it's off. Let's turn it on. There we go. I bet he has a shiny metal ass too.